put the GoPro down and let me jump over
Oh, I could.
Let me jump over it.
You want to do it like...
Ah, lay it down. No, lay it down. I'm talking about that right here.
You're going to clear it? All right, here we go.
I should, right?
Getting that GoPro shot. All right, it's recording.
I gotta really hit this one.
You better. All right, it's recording.
I gotta really hit this one.
You better.
Hey guys, we're out here filming for shorts and we're gonna take y'all on a behind the scenes look at what that looks like. We're gonna use the Bolly block and the GoPro for some awesome first person shots that we've never done before, except on the wakeboarding video. So let's hit it. I'm gonna put this in my pocket.
Just get a shot with it.
Oh, really?
Like a little bit of shot, like looking at me, filming you and stuff, kind of like behind the scenes. Get to your left. Get to your left. All right, there you go. Show us filming and what it's like and stuff. Looking good.
Alright, so we're gonna do different levels of height on the Bolly block. So we're just gonna start off ground level. Let's hit it.
Oh, you about to be doing some burials with it too.
I mean, that's level 1 right there. Make it look easy.
I'll fix it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a hit. And what you need now?
One more. Oh, okay. Feel it, I feel it. My first time doing one. Oh,
You gotta hit it and then go over.
I scratched.
Nice. Okay. Hey, it didn't hit that. Yeah, you want to do that?
That's unreal right there. You can just find a funny song to put that to.
Do what? Freebird?
No, I don't know about Freebird, but I'm Free Bird, yeah.
Look at the mark. See the mark? Look, hit this right here. Hit this right here and see what happens. Okay?
Spread it.
Huh?
I'll spread it.
Yeah, do it. No, you did. Look at that.
Level 2.
Level 2. That was level 1. Here's level 2. All right, go with it.
Level 2.
Level 2. That was level 1. Here's level 2. All right, go with it.
Oh, hit my car. Level 3.
Level 3, baby. Nice. That was clean, bruh. That was clean. All right, what are you trying to do right now?
Varial off of that.
You're gonna go varial off of this.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Let's see what's down here, right?
I mean, I don't know. Do not hurt yourself, please.
I'll just drop it regular. Okay.
All right.
Maybe I could one it up, you know, just one up and just flip that, you know.
Oh yeah, I'm sure that'll be off the chart.
I think it's barrel roll. Oh!
Hit it, baby!
First try.
All right.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Let us know if you like these GoPro shots. It's just an extra shot that we threw in there that we did on the wakeboard video, and we're like, yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's do it with the Onewheel tricks. The volley block, we just did a quick reel with a one level, 2 level, 3 level, and it got progressively higher as we went off with the volley block. What else?
We're almost to 1,000.
Yeah, we're almost to 1,000 subscribers. Please subscribe. Get us to that 1,000 mark. We're posting how many times a day on shorts?
2 or 3 times a day.
Yeah, 2 or 3 times a day, and like videos like twice or 3 times a week, right?
Yep.
All right. Like, subscribe, comment. Catch you all on the next one. Peace.